Welcome to this support video about the Savvii plugin and adjusting your WordPress address and site address. In case you only want to watch the part about the adjustments in the addresses, you can click the link. Once your site is available on the Savvii platform, you can see the Savvii plugin in the corner of your main menu. This plugin provides you with some easy to use functionalities: your logs, Cash Rouge and Cdn. Before you can make use of the functions of the plugin, you will need to activate the plugin by entering your own unique access token from Savvii. This token is retrievable from the Savvii control panel. Enter the code and click Save. Now that you have entered the token, you are able to set the Cash Rouge and Cdn. The Cash Rouge can be automatically regulated with two options. The plugin uses the second option by default. This means the cache will be flushed on post/page edit or publish, comment changes and attachment changes. When you want to flush the cache on post and page edits or publishes, you select the first option. A way to immediately flush the cache is to click the Flush Cache button in the top of the screen or to visit the Savvii control panel. Cdn is disabled by default. Activating Cdn decreases loading times because static content like images, CSS and movies are stored on multiple locations. To enable Cdn, you can simply click Enable. Be aware of the fact that the URL of the site where you retrieve the content from will be modified. This makes it impossible to use Cdn in combination with an SSL certificate. The content cannot be loaded securely in that case. You can also read the logs of your site. The plugin allows you to view 10 or 100 lines of logs. These logs can help you to fix possible issues with your site. In the access logs you can read the login attempts and activities of users. This shows you where adjustments were made recently. The error logs show the possible errors on your site. For example, errors in your plugin or theme. It can be useful to read the error logs before you contact our support. Some problems can be fixed by reading the error logs, which saves you valuable time. In case you are not able to fix the errors yourself and still have to contact support, please send us the error code. In some cases, you might want to change your WordPress address and site address. For example, when you change your DNS records and you want to switch the site from the Savvii URL to the domain name. It is important to only change the URLs when you are able to connect the new URLs. In other words, after changing the DNS records. After changing the URL, you will be logged out and you have to log in from the new URL. The URL you have to enter as WordPress address or site address has to be similar to the one you have to enter in the Savvii control panel, admin.savvii.nl. Don't forget to check whether the URL has been entered with or without www. WordPress will more often than not create a redirect to this domain. When you have entered a redirect from admin.savvii.nl, you will end up in a redirect loop. In the case you have created a loop or you have changed your URL to a non-functional URL, you will have to reset the WordPress and site address. You can reset the WordPress and site address by adjusting your database. Reset the URLs by changing the home URL and site URL fields in WP Options. Shared hosting customers can log into their database through phpMyAdmin on phpMyAdmin.savviihq.com. When you are using a VPS platform, you will have to send a request to our support desk in order for you to be able to use phpMyAdmin. If you have any questions regarding the video or our hosting services, don't hesitate to contact us or visit our website to view the frequently asked questions.